Hello everyone! Super flexibility, incredible strength, perfect sense of balance. These guys can do anything. Today you'll see the amazing abilities of some of the most talented and coolest people in the world. Ready? Let's get it on. These guys don't stand a chance against this player. Oh, I almost forgot. Check out what the game looks like from a first-person perspective.
Nice one.
Now.
They call me a
You'll never guess what's lurking behind him. How many horsepower do you think Hulk is packing under the hood? He's got some unreal punching power and speed. It's okay, honey. I'll do the dishes. Just imagine, with one strike, he smashed 14 concrete blocks. 14, Carl! Wow, the perfection with which he handles his body is a real spectacle. With that strength, the only thing that worries me is whether the chains will hold. Look how gracefully she breaks the laws of physics. This guy literally feels the waves. That's why he's so good at making a dramatic entrance at the beach. This guy doesn't see the target, he feels it. Don't you think we're looking at a future world champion? Wait, the main event is about to start. Even lifting this pole from the ground is a challenge, but she did more than that.
You know what's crazy about having these things in my eyes is it really makes you see how the eyes work. Like, for example, if I were to turn like this, you could see that my eyes are focusing on where I'm looking. But if I just hold my finger out, right, and I follow my finger, my eyes move smoothly. Isn't that crazy?
This guy's sense of balance is the most powerful in the world. Red Bull is dialing this guy's phone number. So flexible. At first glance, it doesn't even seem possible. Look at that! That's 600 calculations per minute! While you're trying to do one cartwheel, this girl does 25 of these. Why is he here and not training with the Olympic weightlifting team? Getting into the car through the door? Nah, all this guy needs is an open window. Look at his height! He's almost twice as tall as the crowd around him. Ten out of 10 points. It's amazing that she does this in heels. Imagine what he can do in winter. You'd have to slow down the video about 1,000 times to catch that move. You think no one is surprised by archery? Challenge accepted. Either this is a glitch in the Matrix or this guy has cheat codes for walking. While one half of his body hangs out on his phone, the other half does this. This is impressive and terrifying at the same time. This is the ultimate level of difficulty in Limbo, but as you can see, it's no problem for him. You're incredibly strong, no doubt about it. Just a quick question. Does your wife know where her frying pan is?